Good morning, children. Yes, children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes, let us start unit number 8. Know your nation. You all know, children, about our nation. Which is our country? India is our country. Yes, which is our flag here? You have 4 flags here. Which is our flag here? This is our flag, Indian flag. Now let us read the lesson. Know your country. Teacher is teaching about the country, our country. Teacher is teaching in the class about our country. This is our national flag. Teacher is teaching here. Students are sitting and listening, watching the teacher. What teacher is teaching here. Now let us read the lesson. Teacher, tomorrow is August 15. All of you should come early by 7:30 a.m. Now we people also, if you come to school, we will tell you all to come to school at 7:30 only, 7 o'clock only. Because to celebrate our Independence Day. Yes or no, children? Yes. To celebrate our Independence Day, we all will come early to school to celebrate. That is also one festival, children. Yes or no? Let us celebrate the day by hoisting our national flag. What we do on Independence Day? We will hoist the flag and we will give some sweets for you all to eat. Yes or no, children? We will hoist our Indian flag. Hoist means, no, to raise and pull something using a rope. You will always see that top. Our PT master will tie the flag there. Our guest will come and hoist our flag. Teacher told the children to come at 7:30 so that we can celebrate our Independence Day and hoist the flag. The student is asking teacher, what she is asking, let us see. Ramya, teacher, what is importance of August 15? The student, Ramya, is asking the teacher, what she is asking, what is the importance of August 15? Good question. Teacher felt very happy and she told a good question. You have known about August 15. We Indians became free on August 15. Before that, Indians were under British rule. You all know we were under British rule. All British people was ruling. We were slaves under them. But when we got freedom, we chased the British people and our Indian people started ruling. So, who has struggled to get freedom fighter here? So think Tilak, Gokhale, Bhagat Singh, Gandhi, Savarkar, Nehru, Bose, Patel and others fought for many years to make Indian free country. These people and many more people has fought sake of our country. When these people fought only we have become free. We got freedom. Understood, children? Yes. Let us read next lesson. Rahim is asking the teacher, did they really have to fight? What he was asking, to get the freedom, we was under British people. They ruled us. They ruled our India. We were slaves for them. After these people fought Gandhiji, Tilak, Chandra Bose, everybody who has fought sake of our country, they fought and they bought our freedom. Yes or no, children? After they fought only, we have become free and we are leading our life very good way. What the boy is asking? Really we have to fight with them to get our India free? teacher. Yes, they fought for our independence and were sent to prison. We must remember them always. Now look here, children. See, these people, if they did not fight sake of our India, we people was like slaves. British was ruling our India. They was ruling us. Yes or no, children? We all don't know, children. You all ask your teachers, elder people, they will say about this. And these people all fought sake of our country and we got freedom. They was punished. Prison, they have put in prison means, what is the meaning of prison? A building where people are kept in punishment for a crime. They fought sake of our country. They fought and they struggled lot. These British people, what they have done, they put in a prison. These people, they were in a jail. Prison andre jail it was. Deepika, teacher, why do we hoist the flag? Deepika is asking one more question for the teacher. What she is asking, why should we hoist the flag? Teacher was telling the answer to Deepika. Now look here what the teacher is telling. Flag means the nation itself. Flag means we people, children. We all, the Indian people, we are become our one nation. Yes or no? It's our nation. It represents our teacher, our flag. See here, flag means the meaning itself is representing our motherland. As a mark of respect and country we were born in. We hoist the flag to show our gratitude. Represent means, children, represent means it's a sign which it is a sign or a mark of something. See, people have struggled, old people have struggled sake of us. Those people struggled us, we got freedom. We are happily living here. Yes or no? We are happily living with no pain, no problem. Those people who have struggled sake of our country, they took lot of struggle. They have went to prison also. They went to jail also, children. That time they went for jail also. And so we have to be very proud for them. We have to think about them. We have to give respect for them. We have to remember them always. We should not forget those people. Now, look here. We represent our motherland. They have bought our motherland. As a mark of respect to the country we are born in. We are born in India. We have to be very proud of our India. So we hoist the flag to show our gratitude. Gratitude means a feeling of being thankful to someone. Why we hoist the flag? We remember all the people who have sacrificed their lives sake of our country. We should remember and should be thankful to that people. And one more student, what she is asking the teacher, let us see. Margaret, teacher, our flag has 3 colors, saffron, white and green. Yes, she is asking, the flag is having 3 colors, saffron, white and green. Yes, and do you know what this color represents? You know about this color, what it represents? See here, saffron stands for sacrifice, white stands for peace and green stands for prosperity. See here, these meanings you have to note down this. It is sacrifice and peace and prosperity. These colors stands for all. Saffron stands for sacrifice, white stands for peace and green stands for prosperity. Harsha, teacher, and the white stripes has chakras in it is blue in color. Now here you have a white here, you have a white here, in middle that you have Ashoka chakra. It is what it is called, Ashoka chakra. Jai Shri, teacher, what does the chakra signifies? What it signifies? She is asking the teacher, to mean or to be sign of something. This signifies means what it is means to mean or to be sign for something. It is very good sign. Teacher, it is Ashoka chakra and it is a symbol of progress. It's a symbol of progress. Progress means what, children? To get better at doing something. It get better to get something. Progress means you have no. What progress marks card, you know, no. If you, what you are studying, you get the marks there. Yes or no, children? You get the marks, you get a good marks, progress card, your progress card will be very good marks. If you study, if you get good marks, you feel very good. This symbol stands for progressing. Our work, what we do, it is a needful, it is useful, and we all Indians should be happy. So these people has fought sake of our country. Children, I will continue this in next class, this lesson in next class, children. Thank you.